Samsung just dropped a massive update for its foldables. If you own a Galaxy Z Flip 4 or Z Fold 4 on Verizon, your phone is about to feel brand new. The long awaited One UI 8 update based on Android 16 is finally rolling out in the US, and it's packed with AI power, design polish, and next level features you don't want to miss. Samsung's 2022 foldables are joining the big leagues as Verizon begins the rollout, even while the company temporarily pauses updates for the Galaxy S series. Alongside this upgrade, users are also getting the latest October 2025 security patch, tightening up protection and stability for your device. Here are the new build versions you'll want to note. Galaxy Z Flip 4, F721 USQ IYIF, Galaxy Z Fold 4, F936 USQ IYIF. Now let's talk about what's new. One UI 8 introduces Galaxy AI with Gemini Live, letting you chat naturally with AI without switching between apps. Samsung's stock apps are now smarter and better connected, giving you a more fluid experience all around. The camera app also gets a huge glow up. Say hello to the new Best Face feature. It automatically detects and fixes faces in group photos taken in motion mode, so you can turn almost perfect shots into flawless memories. On top of that, the lock screen gets a fresh, adaptive clock style that changes its font based on your wallpaper. Subtle, stylish, and dynamic. And if you think this looks good now, just wait for One UI 8.5, which will take customization and AI integration to a whole new level. The update is rolling out gradually, so if you haven't received it yet, head to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install to check manually. Your phone just got smarter, faster, and more secure. Don't wait to experience it. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big One UI update, feature breakdown, and hidden tips that'll level up your Galaxy experience.